Hello and welcome to Material Characterization Lab. My name is Mse Iitd and I have been associated with IIT Delhi for more than a decade. We have GPC, GCMS, fluorescence optical microscope, Raman spectrophotometer. Also we have atomic force microscope that is IR incorporated and transmission electron microscope that is shared with Central Research Facility.
Hi, I work on polyurethane synthesis and its applications. For that, we use a most efficient technique, which is GPC, that helps us to determine the molecular weight of the polymer and also gives us the idea about its broad and narrow molecular weight distribution.
AFM is a device which we use for frictional force microscopy. So we have lubricants with different nanoparticles dispersed in them. So we use these oils with nanoparticles and use the AFM or a trigonometer with a bead attached to it as a counter surface, and we use some bearing steel materials or regularly used alloys, and we do frictional sliding experiments to get the friction and wear results, and we see the growth of tribofilms which are derived from these nanoparticles in this study.
I work on perovskite materials. On our Bruker AFM, we can measure surface roughness, topography, electrical and magnetic measurements. Along with mechanical measurement, we can also do IR studies for polymer samples.
Our group works on 2D material, where we use a Raman microscope to investigate the material quality as well as the layer numbers of these 2D materials. Our system is capable of doing large area mapping of both PL and Raman, and we can investigate the electronic properties and as well as vibrational properties using this technique.
Hi, I work on development of self-filling material for coating application, for which we use GCMS, which is an efficient technique that gives us the idea about the molecular mass and the chemical structure of the compound.